Today I went to beloved Baba to offer book to the subtle region. And as I reached the subtle world,
बाबा को देख बहुत मन में
I saw Baba
खुशी होने लगी।
and there was happiness in my mind.
और जब देखते हैं बाबा का शरीर,
There will be happiness, but when we look at Baba, there will be more happiness, will be overwhelmed. Baba also looked at me and said,
इस प्रकार बाप को देखकर बच्चों को खुशी होती है।
child, just as the children feels happy looking at the father,
कई भगत बच्चे भी
and even in the worldly
शिव शिव
way,
राम राम करके
the devotee children, they say Shiva, Shiva, Ram, Ram.
कुछ अंदर में
They chant, they pray,
वो जितना समय जाप करते हैं,
they revise something internally,
याद भी करते हैं,
they see, they remember,
उन्हें भी बड़ी शांति सुख का सुकून मिलता है।
and they also
क्योंकि
feel happiness and comfort,
स्मृति भगवान के प्रति है।
and they also have God's remembrance in their mind. And so,
चारों तरफ की
Baba was specially seeing the souls from all the sides,
अच्छे भी
that even my
किस किस रूप
devotee children,
बाप को याद करते हैं,
how they are remembering Baba.
याद करता है।
Some are writing and remembering Baba. They write Shiva, Shiva, Rama, Rama. They also chant prayer from the mouth.
भी जाप करता है।
And they also have constant internal chanting. They turn the beads of the rosary and remember. They say Shiva, Shiva, Rama, Rama. They will say Shri Krishna.
कि दुनिया के भगत बच्चे भी
And Baba said,
अपनी रीति
the worldly devotee children,
के लिए
in order to find God,
कुछ न कुछ युक्ति रचते हैं,
they create some methods. They remember.
पर कब कब उनकी याद भी
And sometimes
कोई न कोई देहधारी तरफ कोई न कोई बात
their remembrance also moves towards bodily beings.
याद करते हैं।
You children also remember Baba.
साथ कभी
Along with the remembrance,
दर्द होती भी है,
the mind wanders here and there,
कोई न कोई कारण से
but due to some reason,
टेंशन रखते हैं,
when you pay attention to yourself,
स्वतः ही मन में आने लगती है।
constantly and automatically there will be Baba's remembrance in your mind. You continue to remind others of Baba's remembrance,
के अनुसार
and according to the time,
भी देखते हैं
Baba is looking at the devotees,
कितना भगवान के प्रति
and they too
अपने याद
have so much
पे बैठते हैं।
remembrance of God. They bring them into that
बच्चों
awareness,
बाप है ही सामने,
and in front of you, Father is always there.
दिव्य दृष्टि के द्वारा
Through divine intellect and divine drishti, you look at Baba.
ना खुशी होती
Your children will also have so much happiness.
है।
Baba said,
ब्राह्मण बच्चों
these are devotee children and Brahmin children. There is a vast difference.
याद करते हैं,
Children remember the Father internally,
इस प्रकार की अनुभूति बाबा
and Baba will also make them have that kind of experience.
सुनाने के
Baba was saying this, and in front of Baba,
विशेष याद थी।
there was many remembrances of many children.
बच्चों का लास्ट
Baba said,
सब कुछ करते हुए
while doing everything,
एक ही सहारा बाप
in the end, the Father becomes the
से याद
support. My children, in whatever way they remember, whatever relationship they remember Baba,
सही रीति से पहुंच
that remembrance reaches Baba very easily.
तो बाबा ने भी जैसे उन्हें बड़े
The child has brought the remembrance of many.
पितवन का बाबा के
So Baba is feeding them bhog of Madhuban, and after feeding them, Baba will definitely give them some advice. Baba said, and then Baba, with a lot of love,
ये सभी
received bhog. I took everyone's love and remembrance and came down. Om Shanti.